Hiya, so it's Gaz here again, just finishing off this door video, I suppose. So you can see I've turned it over, I've done the other side, and I'm so happy with how that's turned out. It's just a bit of patience, a little bit of it. The thing is as well, I've got a really good router. I've had shit routers before, right, and they're great, you know, good manufacturers, but they're made for, I'm sure they make them cheap nowadays, like cheaply made, but they sell them for a bit of money. So whilst still expensive, maybe 60, 70, 80 quid, it's expensive for a tool. It's relatively cheap for a router, but I've had like a Bosch one before. It was crap. Like the lock, like if you look on this one, the lock there where you press it so you can turn the chuck and take the bit out, it just kept locking up on the other one. So like literally a 5-minute job on my Bosch one would take us about an hour, because I have to get a spanner out, and then the little piece would drop out. I don't know what the names of them are, but the little piece would put out. I'd have to put in a vise, I'd have to tap it out with a hammer, and oh, it was a nightmare, man. So I bought this one a while ago, not too long ago, just recently actually, and it's probably mid-range for the trends. It's not like a super top of the pops one. It's probably one of the entry ones for like this size as opposed to a palm size one, but for my needs it's brilliant. You can adjust the speeds, it just feels really robust. But because it's coming from a professional manufacturer, like who makes like sort of professional tools, they use a 1/2 inch chuck for a 1/2 inch bit. I'm not sure what the terminology is, and because my little set, well, the like a make do set, you know, they're 1/4 inch. So I have to use one of these little collets, that's what's called. I have to use this like little reducer collet that goes in there. And because they're only small bits as well, and I'm having to like sort of cut quite deep, being quite risky here, like risk reward sort of balance, I'm dropping the bit down out of the sort of collet, probably too much for safety's sake. So every time I'm doing a pass and I'm standing like this, I'm thinking, Christ, please don't fly out, because you are going to castrate us. So it's probably worth us ordering some 1/2 inch bits and a little bit longer. However, because I'll be patient when I'm doing a job, but I'm generally quite an impatient bloke, I'll probably crack on. So hopefully the next video you see, my voice hasn't went up a few sort of notes, because I haven't took my balls off with the bloody router piece. Okay, well, next video, hopefully these doors will all be finished. I've got 3 more sides to do. I'll jigsaw them down and then I'll just finish off with the router like I have there. Hopefully they'll be hung and we'll be opening the doors for the next video. Take care. Bye.